Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share Telegram group chat invite link to your friends. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application and then I'm going to open up one of the Telegram group chats here. For example, this one. If we want to get the invite link, we need to go to the manage group menu. You can click on those three dots and then select the manage group. And here you will find the group type. I'm going to click on this option. Okay, and this is the invite link of my group chat. You can either copy the link or share the link to our friends on on Telegram. Sorry. And then after you copy the link, you just need to share it. I'm just going to click on save, or actually you can simply go to the invite link here. The link is the same, and then you just need to click on copy link or share link, or actually you can create a new link. You can generate invite links that expire after they are used. It's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share Telegram group chat invite link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.